So I'm in Las Vegas. So after my show last night and at the Clown Motel in Tapana, Nevada, which is an awesome place, by the way. Also, Gold something. Gold Town, right next to it. Such a sleeper. Anyway, a couple of my friends texted me and they were like, hey, we're in Las Vegas and we don't really have much to do tomorrow. And I was like, you guys want to go to Meow Wolf? They were like, sure, we'll go to Meow Wolf. And they were like, what is that? And I was like, I have no idea, but let's go. So we did that. It was awesome. 10 out of 10. Super neat. And it's pretty late now, and I'm staying in Bakersfield, California. I was really excited about the antique malls, but I'm really excited. I got to see some friends and have some Kate time. So I actually, surprisingly, found a place I don't think I've been before. I was like, there's no way I haven't been there. But then I got there, and I'm not mistaken. I've never been here. So Paradise Valley Antique Mall, here I come. So one of the reasons why I'm surprised I've never been here is because it's huge. This is the most epic lamp ever, by the way. Oh my gosh, it's for the pair. Oh, wow, that's amazing. Yeah, I can't believe I've never been here. I thought I had been here, but I have not. Is this a brooch? Belt buckle, that's neat. Whoa, look at this cross. How cool. I love everything that's going on here with the furniture situation. What is that? Funky accent lamp. That is funky. Oh my gosh, look at this funny ashtray. Christ. That's so fantastic. $32 though. Oh my gosh, I'm dying over these pig mugs. Happy pig mugs, $20 for two. Well, obviously for a collector, that's totally fair at $10 a pop. For me, I can't really do much with it. They've got some neat ashtrays in here. Like this one, little brass owl. Yeah, neat stuff. Ooh, look at this little poo plate, how cute. And the Karak shell tray. I also really like this bird shaker. His eyes are what really do it for me. Oh my gosh, the corn salt and pepper shakers. 16. Yeah, I have a feeling the prices are going to be pretty close to retail. I've gotten some things at Vegas antique malls before. Oh my gosh, this is only 15 and it's so epic. But I find for the most it's a little bit higher than I'm accustomed to, but this is kind of the opposite direction as a lot of the antique malls, so it's kind of feeling hopeful. Love the Blendo. I like this little wooden box. That's so cute. Made in Taiwan, 1981, $5. I think that's adorable. I don't know how well it would sell. I kind of hate the texture of it, even though the graphic is cute. Oh my gosh, how funny. I love these guys. Is this the one with 3 faces? No, it's not. They have some cute kitschy stuff. What's this? I like the direction we're headed. Christmas. Okay, a little bit of everything. A lot of everything. I love pink elephants so much, and they're pretty popular. 19. I feel like I'm doing kind of a bad job with my camera. I hope when I watch this back, it's not as bad as I feel like it is. My mic cord is kind of broken, as I've mentioned, for like the past X amount of weeks. So I have to hold my phone holder funny. Oh my gosh, that clown is fantastic. Look at this Peter Rabbit. Oh my gosh, so cute. He's got great big eyes. And this is a cool booth. Look at this bowl. I got some clothing, tiki. Oh my gosh. Okay, so they're $48 each, it looks like. Those Betty Boop tins. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh, 37, I want you. This is a really neat piece of art. Oh, Yeah, a lot of really funky stuff. Funky stuff. We like funky stuff. I'm in a funky mood. So there's a lot going on in this room, and I was about to do a pan of everything. Oh my gosh, 45. That's too adorable. What is this? It's kind of fantastic. Lint roller. Wonder what year that's from. So fantastic. It looks like they're... I'm a little confused about the sign. I think it's 20% off. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. Oh my gosh, I love that little filigree with the little embroidery on it, the needle point. I wonder how much that is. It's probably pretty pricey. I'm gonna go to the other side and look. Let's see at this jewelry case. Oh my gosh, look at the earring and brooch set. Although I will say those metal enamel flowers have been so pricey out west. Now it's kind of all making sense to me why they're so popular. How much is that? $80. Yep, I have expensive taste. That letter opener is pretty neat. That's at $22. The bank. Oh, look at how fun this is. Wait, this is older than I thought it was. How much is this? Of course there's no price on it. I'm gonna go ahead and say it's probably not for sale because it's sitting next to a couple items that are not for sale. I love the little half doll. Let's see if I can use my camera to see your price tag. Ooh, I think that, I don't know what that says actually. Oh, 65, good grief. Just kidding. I wonder how old these ashtrays are. Those are really fun. Well, this is definitely the only place I'm gonna go today because it's already 3 o'clock and I have a 4-hour drive to Bakersfield. I love that print. As you guys probably know if you watch my channel, I have a big weakness for vintage Vegas and risque stuff. So I'm definitely keeping my eye out for my own collection too. Oh my gosh, that soldier, I love that. There's a lot of neat stuff in here. I haven't even done one aisle. Oh my gosh, $49 though for the ceramic. I love the clothespin doll. I'm nervous to ask for the key if I can't see the price because it seems kind of high for me. So much neat stuff. Look at that mirror. Old Hollywood. What's this cute little backpacker? I don't even know which way to turn. I'm kind of overstimulated, especially after like being out in the sun and Meow Wolf. Lots of stimulation. I normally don't go for these, but I love these ones with the cookies on them. Of course, the one I like has no price. Maybe it's a pair. No? You're kidding me. Oh, Clemson pottery. Why are the only things I like with no price on it? Oh, it's probably $10 each, so I'm not gonna sweat it too much. Even with the 20%, that's a little too close. Clemson hasn't really done that well for me in the past. What's going on here? These look new. Yeah, they also look like reproduction. This is kind of cute. A little children's mug, 45. Yeesh. What is this hiding back here? Keep a chapel cap in your handbag. Use it for church visits. Wait, stop. Is there a discount in this booth? I kind of want to pick this up. It's super weird, but I think $8 is too close. If it was like 20% off, I could do it, but I don't see a discount sign in this one. What about these handkerchiefs? Oh, so cute. I think I'm looking for some. Oh my gosh, look at this one though. How fun is that? I think I'm gonna have to get that. That's an adorable one. I love the trim on that, and it's pretty clean. For $4, that's not bad, and it will encourage me in case I want to pick something else up. Wait, what was in this? Oh my gosh. Little mini, oh my gosh. Elephant bubblegum charms or Cracker Jack charms. Might have to pull that aside. Oh my gosh, and look at this. This is fantastic too. It's an elf like a gnome riding a pig. Is it broken? Why is it $4? That is so fun. I'm gonna get that too. I kind of feel like I should pick this up. There's 5 of them. I feel like I could divide that out. And it's a great sweater clip. Yeah, I'm gonna get this. I've been really into these little charms recently. I've been wearing them, so I could even keep one and sell the other 4 at that price. Now, what's happening down here? Do I see daisies by chance? $10, a little underwhelming for 10. This booth definitely has some cool stuff, like the hourglass. Ooh, I really like this. That's really pretty, 22. Whoa, a lot going on here. Love that blue vase. Oh, a little February angel. That's about what oh my gosh, the pineapple. 14, dang. That's about what I'd sell that for too. What is going on in here? There's a lot happening in here. Yeah, oh my gosh, look at the gold mouse back there. How cute. That's neat. Whoa, what is this? Look at those like trivets or hot plates. This doll is amazing. This is Santos. That's incredible with glass eyes. I love those golden nugget casino cards. Oh my gosh, the Nevada plate with the howdy partner. Cowboy on it. Oh, what is this? 20. Oh, that's so cute. I've been like super into vintage makeup and kind of Hollywood Regency stuff. Oh my gosh, look at that dress. Love. Maybe we can find something in here. That's kind of neat. Whatever that is kind of neat. $7.50. I feel like it's missing something, but I kind of like it. Red circle. Huh, that red circle is kind of curious, isn't it? I don't know, man. I kind of really like this thing. Is it Mark? Oh, interesting. I wonder if that red circle's Bakelite. Huh. 20% off unless marked firm or already reduced. So this one's already reduced. So it would be $7.50. I think it's kind of neat. I don't know if it's supposed to be that way. I don't know if the sun's gotten to me too. That's another thing. I can feel like I'm kind of getting a little weird. This is a cool tea tin. Yeah, I was just saying, I don't know when my camera cut off, but I was just saying, I feel like I've gotten a little weird. I was into that tea tin at 25. I'm not sure if I'm having a moment about this. It really looks like it's missing something, but I think it's neat as is. But I'm afraid the sun might have gotten to me on that one, so I'm gonna let it go. Maybe when I watch it back, I'll be like, what? You know, it's not like it's probably worth much, but I just think it's neat. Look at this little vase. That's cool. 15, 30%, okay. That's a little bit of a game changer. That's really neat. This shape, but it's at 125. Love this color. That's at 28. I think it's newer. I could be mistaken. Oh my gosh, look at this. How fun. Ooh, now this has my attention. This is very cool. 44. I love the shape and the colors on that. It's a nice size too. That's one of my big quaffs about art glass. I don't like to buy like really big stuff. I like smaller stuff. This one down. Gosh, it's packed in here. Okay, this one's neat. That one's at 40. That's really cool. I don't think I have the customer for that, but not at that price at least. Too much of a gamble for me. Huh. Well, the painting, but that thing at 900 is epic. What a fabulous pig. It's got real eyelashes on it too. Oh my gosh, how cute is she? Let's see if I can do this safely. 10, wait. Okay. Firm. She's adorable. Tempted, but I'm a little uncertain, honestly. Let's see if I can. Oh my gosh, I feel like I broke it. Okay, no, I didn't. Good, it closes. Whew, it's a little hot in here, honestly. I'm a little. What is this wall pocket up here? Not what I thought it was. I thought it had potential to have a happy face or something on it. Like the bird wall pocket. But I'm looking for stuff I haven't really seen before or had before. I know I say that all the time and then just start picking stuff up, but especially because my car is so full and I'm so tired. I'm sure I'll feel better tomorrow. At least that's what I keep telling myself. This is so cute. Wait, that's adorable. Firm, $7. How broken is it? Pretty broken, but it's adorable. Wait, look at this. How cute. Maggie and Jeff. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wait, that's adorable. I wish it said Kate and Jeff. Now this elephant's cool. What's that? No. Close, but no cigar. What about up here? This case has some neat smalls in it. Oh, the little girl holding the deer. What is this? It's kind of epic. Whoa. That's amazing. I actually feel like that's a really fair price even with the condition. Those can be really expensive.